This is a tutorial for Yamaha XSR. To turn on the bike, put the key in the keyhole and turn it clockwise one time as it will go on standby mode. Next, click and pull the red switch down to start the bike. To turn off the bike, don't forget to switch up the red switch and turn the key counterclockwise. To open the fuel tank, take your key off, open the cap of the keyhole. Then insert and turn the key clockwise to open the fuel tank. When you're done, close up the fuel tank by pushing down the cap and turn the key counterclockwise. Don't forget to pull out and take the key.